And we are back with week 16 of GoMining's Miner Wars. This one I wanted to record at least on Wednesday, but it is now Sunday, so I am a little bit behind, but that's okay because our total Bitcoin rewards is never going to be behind, it's always caught up. So, we have a total of 0.0288191 Bitcoin. It says it's about $3,396.63. Let's take a gander what the actual conversion is, because I know lately, Bitcoin to USD, we had a new all-time high, which was about 124,000 here. It did hit 124,000, and then we pushed all the way back down to 117, to where I think we were ranging probably a month ago or so, a few months ago. No, here it is. Yeah. Last month we were ranging here. Seems like almost the entire month. So hopefully we do that again. We probably will see a little dip back down to 115,000 just to pick us some liquidity and go back up, but whatever. Back to the Bitcoin rewards. It says it is $3,403.23, so a few dollars more than it says here. That works with me. Now last week's rewards are going to be on August 5th to August 11th. Let's see what these ones are. In total we had 0.0003217 Bitcoin. Let's take a gander. If Bitcoin was still at 124,000, this would be a lot more, but I'm going to take a gander and say we're at about, close to $40. Pretty damn good. 3780. Fucking why not, man? It'd be nice if I could get a big old GMT reward for something, so I can actually get the entire pool reward instead of just the reward after electricity and services. But oh fucking well, man. Oh fucking well. When is my service button? In 3 hours and 30 minutes. Not too bad. I think it's at like 6:31. I gotta click it. And for anyone who was looking to start mining Bitcoin or are using GoMining for cloud mining services, so you can save yourself a shit ton of money on the physical setup and electrical setup and all that hassle, my referral link will be down in the description below. And unlike most traditional physical mining, to where you're gonna need a few thousand to tens of thousands of dollars just to set up, a single miner, you also have to upgrade your electrical panel. You might have to get sound dampening stuff for that room because these things are loud as fuck, and that room is going to be hot as hell in the summer. Or for just $26.99, you can start mining with 1 terahash at 20 watts a terahash, and you will get an extra 5% terahash on your first miner purchased using this code within 30 days. And what does this mean? This means if you get 1 terahash, you get 0.05 terahash absolutely for free. If you buy 10 terahash, you can't really do the 10 terahash mode, but you know what I'm saying. If you get 10 terahash, you will get 0.5 terahash for free. So that's half a terahash for free, about $13 for free. Or, if you're a big player and you want to do the 100 terahash, you'll get 5 free terahash. And 5 terahash plus the, 26 it is for just one, you're looking at about $130 for free, completely for free, which also in the end gets you an extra $4 or so a day. Well, if you want to be realistic, $3 or so, because, you got to pay maintenance, service fees, all that. But guess what? If you're mining Bitcoin with physical miners as well, rather than just cloud mining, you're also paying electricity fees. So you can do that. It costs a lot more. If I am not wrong, I believe GoMining has their facilities set up in certain regions, in certain countries and continents around the world, where the overall price per kilowatt hour is a lot cheaper. So they actually might be mining it cheaper than you could ever mine it, just because price costs, just because the cost of hydro, electricity, depending where you live, So if you want to get started, feel free to do it now. Some people who still think it's a scam, I don't know. I have $160 of Bitcoin sitting in my virtual wallet here. I have already transferred well over $3,000 worth of Bitcoin to my Trezor wallet. So to anyone who still thinks it's a scam, educate yourself, please. Have a good one, guys. We'll see you soon.
It's too many other ways to eat, like investing in yourself or putting some lyrics on the beat. Still gonna keep it straight.